Explanation of the role of a confidential advisor. What kind of issues can a confidential advisor help you with? What does a confidential advisor do? There are two types of confidential advisor: confidential advisors for inappropriate behavior and confidential advisors for workplace integrity. What is the difference? A confidential advisor for inappropriate behavior can help you with issues concerning relations, communication, and management that have hurt or offended you and led you to feel unsafe at work. Possible issues may be bullying, intimidation, sexual harassment, aggression, violence, or discrimination. You decide what you find hurtful or offensive. You decide when someone has overstepped your boundaries. You have the right to work in a safe environment. You can go to a confidential advisor for workplace integrity to safely report suspected misconduct. You can report issues that could be damaging to the company, such as theft, fraud, abuse of power, violation of the rules, and improper behavior. An increasing number of confidential advisors are working as both confidential advisors for inappropriate behavior and confidential advisors for workplace integrity. You can discuss either type of misconduct with them. What do confidential advisors for inappropriate behavior do? Confidential advisors listen to what you have to say and will offer you the scope to express your emotions. Everything you discuss will remain confidential unless a serious criminal offense has been committed that leaves the confidential advisor in a moral dilemma. Confidential advisors are not there to take the problem off your hands. You are in control. Confidential advisors assess what is important for you and suggest ways in which you can deal with the situation. Possibilities include talking to the person in question with the confidential advisor there for support, mediation, talking to your manager, contacting the complaints committee, or pressing charges. You will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each of the potential solutions. Confidential advisors help you make the decision that is right for you. They support you throughout the process. You can also see a confidential advisor simply to get things off your chest. You do not necessarily have to take action. What do confidential advisors for workplace integrity do? You can discuss the issue in confidence with the confidential advisor. There is time for you to say what you need to, and there is scope for you to express your emotions. Together with the confidential advisor, you can decide whether or not you want to report the issue. Everything you discuss will remain confidential unless a serious criminal offense has been committed that leaves the confidential advisor in a moral dilemma. This procedure is in accordance with the Dutch House for Whistleblowers Act. How do you report an issue confidentially? The confidential advisor will discuss with you whether there is reasonable suspicion of misconduct, compose a written report with you, submit the report to the company, act as a bridge between you and the person investigating the suspected misconduct. If you have reported the issue in good faith, you will be protected. In theory, confidential advisors are not there to help you with personal problems, industrial disputes, issues with work pressure, or reorganization problems. However, they will always listen to what you have to say and give you the scope to express your emotions. If you need more specific help, confidential advisors can refer you to another professional. Confidential advisors summarize the different options and help you make an informed decision. You may be referred to a coach, a psychologist, a doctor, a lawyer, a mediator, the union, or the police. You have the right to work in a place where integrity and safety are paramount. Do you have any questions? Visit your confidential advisor. Your confidential advisor is there for you.